In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to HTML export straight into MailChimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a finished HTML email into MailChimp so it's ready to use as a reusable template without rebuilding it in the drag and drop editor. Start on your MailChimp dashboard and head to Campaigns. This is the central hub for everything you send, and it's also where your templates live. Going here first keeps your workflow organized so the template you import shows up in the right place when you're ready to build or schedule a send. Next, click on Email Templates. This section stores your saved designs and is where you'll manage anything custom you've built. If you regularly send newsletters, promotions, or announcements, keeping templates here means you can swap content quickly without touching the underlying code each time. Choose code your own. This option is designed for raw HTML, so you can bring in a finished export from your design tool or code editor. A quick reminder about email HTML. Keep styles in line, avoid external style sheets and scripts, and lean on table-based layouts for the best compatibility. Aim for a typical email width around 600 pixels. And remember that some CSS properties aren't supported across all inbox. Open actions, then select Import HTML. Importing is the fastest route when you already have a complete build. MailChimp accepts a single HTML file, and it can also process a .zip that includes your HTML alongside images and other assets. If you're using a zip, make sure your as-main file is named index.html and that your image paths match the folder structure inside the archive. Click Add File and choose your exported HTML or zip from your computer. Keep file names simple and consistent, avoid special characters, and if your images aren't bundled in a zip, ensure they're hosted at accessible URLs. Absolute paths tend to work more reliably than relative ones. If you haven't inlined your CSS yet, consider doing that before uploading to reduce the chance of styles being stripped by inboxes. Now click Continue. MailChimp will process the file and generate a preview of your template. Take a moment to review the render, confirm images load, and check link formatting. It's normal for some advanced CSS to be limited in email, so prioritize clear typography, adequate spacing, and bulletproof buttons. If your design includes merge tags for things like unsubscribe or view in browser links, make sure the placeholders are present in your HTML, so compliance elements appear in sends. That's it. Your imported template is now saved under email templates and ready to use this next time you create a campaign from Campaigns. Happy sending!